funny how simple this game is. Just like you're a dot running around getting other dots.
Bro, it's the fucking evolution of cheese. I'm Chicken Little.
Alright, I'll be on the lookout. Ebola, don't eat me! I'm the same color as you. We should be friends, not enemies.
Where is Ebola?
It's red, and I'm red. Okay. There's a monkey in the lobby! YOLO's after me.
Team Duo Dynasty.
Oh no.
Going to the bottom left.
I can't. I'm not moving anymore. Why am
Oh
I
my
not
god,
moving?
please let this happen. Please let this happen.
Why am I not moving anymore?
Wait.
Everything just stopped moving.
No. I had the perfect setup for this.
I'm gonna get eaten. I can't move or anything. Everything just froze. I'm gonna get eaten.
Everything just froze. But some guy was chasing like the perfect size for me to eat right into me, and stopped right before it fucking fused into me. Come on, game.
I'm gonna get eaten.
Man. Oh.
Jeopardy music right here. I'm so scared once it comes back in, I'm just gonna be gone.
I'll just be in the bottom left corner, like, what the fuck just happened? Poker Face apparently went up.
Everyone continues to move up, but I'm not moving.
I'm not moving either.
Come on, please. Don't let me die.
Oh. W equals 2. It went up. Something went down. I don't know.
I'm gonna refresh it, see if that will help anything. Then again, I'm just gonna lose everything, but eh.
Yeah. I'm such a gentleman.
Hello, Moon. Come here, Moon. Moon. Ah, no.
At the bottom.
Oh, Australia. Oh.
Rabbit 45.
Ah! The moon just ate me.
No, the moon.
Moon needs to leave everyone
Giant
alone.
moon. Where he came from. Oh, fuck. You Whitney.
No.
God damn it, Houston. Eaten?
I got eaten.
By who?
I forgot.
Scenic.
Ah! Reddit! Reddit's after me. I haven't done anything, Reddit. Please don't eat me.
Reddit's after everybody.
I will put you on my website. No!
Apparently someone's drunk. Bro, you're supposed to eat the Hot Pocket, but like meat.
No!
In Soviet Russia, Hot Pocket sacrifice. Somebody sacrificed themselves to make
I feel like I'm like one of those carpet cleaners that are just running around on the ground. Being like, No! If I feed you, please leave me alone. How do I feed him? There, take that, not me. Yeah, leave me alone. Alright, I'm moving to the top left. I can't stay in the bottom left anymore.
Just stay here until like.
I died. So I said like friends to someone, and they actually like fed me and stuff. Leave me alone, moon. Ah! No, it's not game over. Leave me alone. I'm going to the top right. Leave me alone. Yes! Thank you! No, they were trying to get me eaten. No. Oh, yes. Thank you, person. Are you trying to eat me now? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I was gonna say.
I wonder what happened if I changed my name to Ryan Hagen.
Wow.
You know, I'm gonna change my name to something popular. Maybe people will know. Alright, let's see if this will work.
Shit.
Alright, change my name to Ryan Haga. Ah, never mind! That doesn't work. No! Help me, don't eat me. It says help, not eat. Zigzag, 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 zigzagging! I'm gonna zigzag, I'm gonna zigzag. I'm gonna win this. I'm leaving. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Okay. Witty! I hate him. Hey, Hot Pocket! It's me!
Wait, what?
Wait, are you pink right now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm near
Who are
you.
you?
I'm help me.
Oh. I'm being serious about what's happening. Okay. Oh, Whitney versus Whitney.
Oh no, that's kind of funny. Bruh,
Bruh.
bruh, bruh,
No.
bruh, bruh.
No.
Wait, what? What? Bruh, bruh. No, come back! Ooh, okay, I'm gonna eat someone. I need to eat someone. I am very hungry. No! No! No!
That guy.
I get super loud when I get nervous. I just now noticed that.
No!
Yeah.
The syndrome of knowing which. It's scary.
I was able to scratch my
Nobody
head
wants
without
to
that.
kill us.
Oh, I'm sorry! I didn't know if that person was meant to help me or if I just ate him. I get
Nobody
that.
wants to kill King's Quest.
Lauren. Lauren! Lauren's right over here. Lauren!
Oh.
Lauren!
Oh, fuck off. What's his name?
Mexico? Mexico, you need to behave yourself. Like right now, you need to behave. Whitney. Whitney and Frank. Whitney and Frank. Whitney. Whitney. Whitney.
And Frank.
This is so much fun. It's like they start coming one way and then they realize that I'm coming their way, so then they run. They're like, no! It's like, yes! Ah!
Oh.
Yes! Don't look at me like that, Whitney, okay? I'm trying to eat myself. No. No. No.
My new name is Cheese Town.
No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, the Queen.
No!
Oh.
No! 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 No!
What?
Oh no! 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 No!
No. No one.
No! Who let me eat you? Yes! No! Ah! Well, I lasted 10 minutes and 30 seconds.
Frank, please.
I don't even know what that sound
Damn
was. I need some friends. Help me. You're evil.
Yeah. So his name is Doses.
No!
Oh, I'm not fucking.
It'd be funny if they could hear us. Every time someone comes near me, I just scream. No! Team? No. Bruh! No! No, bruh! Eaten by him. No, no. Top right, top right, top right. LOL. I am Luke. Okay. And I am your father. Bush! It's a bush!
Hey, it's left wing.
Bush! Stay away from Bush. He's after your money.
But he's such a good guy. I can't. I can't stay with him. He's such a good guy. Hey, white Jesus.
Ah! Zoning! Zoning!
Oh,
Wait, what?
Daddy, you are low life. Okay. Sign. Reddit.
Jukes! The jukes are real! Jukes are
Oh
real!
God, no.
Jukes!
Somebody just get something wrong. I am cyanide. Ricky, do not consume. No!
Well, I was at the right corner, but now I'm kind of like running away because I just saw him eat people.
Really?
Did he eat you?
Cookie Jackson. Consume.
Moon, come here, Mr. Moon. Really, you're gonna hide underneath that? That is cheating. That is cheating. You can't do
What?
that.
Hiding in the virus?
Yeah, I do that too, but I just don't want him to do it.
That's cheating. Only I'm allowed to do that.
Oh. Stay away from me. I have Ebola. Oh no.
Why did Bush just give himself a little bit?
No. It doesn't take me very long just to scream out.
Okay, so what's down at the bottom? Oh God!
Murder!
Wait, don't eat me.
Don't get near me. You can't help it.
Well, I'm not gonna eat you.
Well, I'm not gonna try to. But if you just run right in front of me and I don't get a chance to stop or go the other direction,
Oh,
you're
hello.
gonna get eaten.
Oh.
Yeah, take it.
No,
I fed the wrong person! I fed the wrong person. And they killed me.
I just like ran between the two.
Yeah. Yeah, you're trying to get me killed and it worked.
I wasn't trying.
No! No! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. I'm like slowly turning my body. It's like really weird. Like when you see the video, you question what I'm doing. Because I don't even know what I'm doing. No! No! Free bird. No. Free bird. Free bird. No. I just thought of Bluebird. No. That's a good song, but no. Ah! Batman! No! I don't like you, Batman. Leave me alone. You are not Batman. You need to go away, Batman.
Cambodia!
No!
Wait, did Freebird eat you?
No. Wow, my lights flickered when I did that. I made my lights flicker.
Really? I don't want to play this anymore.
What? What was your name?
My name is Murder still.
Mm.
And man killed me. Fucking threw himself into another man.
That's what I feel like every time I start getting near one of the smaller circles. I just feel like I'm like Darth Vader, like coming through. Like everyone's moving away from me. They're all scared of me. I have no friends. So if you find me, people are probably running away. Oh my word! Do not do that! Oh my word, I thought I was gonna die. My dad scared me by knocking on the door. Yeah, great idea.
Why do you have all the lights on?
I don't have all the lights on.
The living room light is wide on, the
I got Ethan.
hall light is also wide on.
Nah. Stephanie's not here right now. Please leave a message after the
Why do you
tone.
have all the lights on here?
Oh my god. I'm touching butts.
Boyfriend?
No.